Why do you think many people get this question wrong? Because they solve like this. They use PEMDAS, right? Which is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So they solve this since there is no parenthesis here. They solve the exponent first, which is 10 power 2, 10 square, and this gives 100. Then they say 100 divided by 5 times 2. They solve multiplication next, and that is 10. And 100 divided by 10 gives 10. Unfortunately, this is wrong. So, what is the correct way to solve this? Yes, we are to follow the PEMDAS rule, but while following the PEMDAS rule, you need to note that whenever you see multiplication and division, you solve from left to right. That is, whenever whichever one appears first will be solved first. If division appears first, you divide before you multiply. If multiplication appears first, you multiply before you divide. So now, which one appears first? Division. But before we get to division, we need to solve the exponent. So this becomes 100 divided by 5, then times 2. Okay, now we have division and multiplication. So we divide first. We solve from left to right. 100 divided by 5 gives 20, and then we have 20 times 2, and this is 40. So if you got 10, your answer is wrong. When you're solving like this, you have to pay attention to the rule, but at the same time, when multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. So let me know in the comments, what did you get? Did you get 40 or did you get 10? Which method did you use, or do you even have a different method? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.